Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix on TV black screen problem. You can easily do this at home after watching my video. First of all, we have to perform a flashlight test for black screen. You need a torch or a mobile phone light. Power on the TV and focus the light on your TV screen. If you see the display under the screen by focusing light on the TV, then you have backlight problem. Now how to fix this? First of all, open the back cover of your TV. Then remove all the T-con and LVDS cables. Then turn the TV and then remove its front bezel. Then panel. Then reflecting sheets till your LED light becomes visible. Now take a backlight tester and check the strips one by one. If one or more LED is not glowing, then your backlight strips are faulty. Now take the new ones, check them like that. It's all light should work. Now replace them with the old ones. After installing the new lights, turn the TV on to check whether these works or not. You can clearly see that lights are now working. Now assemble back the TV in the same process we have opened it. Install the reflecting sheets, then plastic fitting of panel and then front bezel. Now connect all the cables and install all the screws. Put your TV back cover on, install all the screws. Now turn the TV and check it. Your watching black screen problem has been fixed. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.